Isabel, don't make her fall off the edge. Come here, baby. Hi. Come here. Come here. Oh, don't be scared. Come here. What's up? Isabel, go. Isabel. Hey, Bradley, come here. Ugh. See? I am nice. Oh, shit. She. Can I turn this around when videotaping? No.
Should be able to.
I don't think I can. Here, I'm putting you back on the couch. There you go.
What are you doing, Popcat? Why are you bouncing your tail?
Isabel, leave her alone. Let her relax. Izzy, do not make her jump. She gets scared when she jumps. You better not eat that light. Mm-mm-mm. Hi. Isabel, you don't listen to a word I say. You're worse than Prairie Pig. Hi. What are you doing? Come here. Say, I'm pretty calm. I'm pretty too. I like to go on shoulders though. Isabel, what would you do if I put Prairie Pig on your back?
Freak out and fling Prairie Pig onto the ground. Probably step on her.
How long? Oh, she's burrowing into Isabel. How long have we had her?
Like a week or two?
No way. Not 2 weeks. I think we got her on the 27th. You're gonna get bit. God, this is a long video. Hey, there's no pot. This is not whack-a-mole. Isabel, get your foot off. No.